Hey, what's up, ES3? This is a short video tutorial on how to insert your ES3 signature into Windows Outlook New Edition. So let's get into it. First, you're going to highlight the signature that's in the email that was sent to you. This is the template we're going to use. So highlight all of it, right-click on it, hit copy. Go up to the gear cog, which is your settings in the top right corner. Accounts, signatures. We're going to add a signature. Signature name is just a name. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it 2026. Down here is the body of where you're going to paste the signature. I usually put a return because I like it one space below what I'm typing. Hit paste. You're going to change all the information to your own. Uppercase name, all uppercase. It is Arial Black 7.5. Title is Arial 7.5 regular case. Phone number is Arial 7.5 with periods in between the area code and central office number. Your ES3 office locations and the image. And once you have changed all that information, you can go ahead and select this for your set as default for new messages. Hit save. Close out your settings. Click on new for a new email and you should see your email signature in that new email, and it should look just like the one that was sent to you. If it doesn't, try it again. If you still can't get it to look the same, reach out to me and I'll help you. Thanks and have a great day.